Hello, Officer Pino, Pensacola Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you, this tag no longer belongs on this car. Okay, it was supposed to have been replaced with the metal tag, so it's no longer assigned to the vehicle. And if it still was assigned to the vehicle, it expired back in March. Okay. So do you have your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance? Okay. Do either one of you have a medical marijuana card?
What?
Do either one of you have a medical marijuana card?
No.
Okay, because I can smell the odor of marijuana coming from the car. That's why I'm asking. Huh? Okay. Do you have the insurance? No, it's not. You gave me the title, the registration, the license plate, and then your driver's license. Do you have insurance for the vehicle? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you provide it to me? Huh? That's fine. That's fine. Can you pull it up and show it to me? How long have you had the car?
5, Pensacola, Florida. An expired tag turns into felony charges and multiple taser deployments. Here's what the law says happened. The stop's legit. Expired registration under Florida Statute 316.605. Officer smells marijuana. That's probable cause in Florida. Driver cooperates, no problem. But the passenger refuses to exit when ordered. That's where this goes sideways.
How long have you had the car?
Not very long.
What's that?
Not very long.
Not very long? Okay.
Y'all get put over for the tag? Yeah, I saw it expire like, was it March?
All right, Mr. Fair. I'm gonna have you hop out. Do you have anything on you that will poke, stick, or hurt me in any way?
No.
Do you have any objection to me searching you?
No.
Okay. If you can just, if you wouldn't mind putting your hands, there you go. All right, boss. I'm gonna have you step right here in front of my car. Okay. So, right up here. Yeah, right up here. So, like I told you, I can smell the odor of marijuana coming from the car. Okay. If it's a little bit of weed in the car, I ain't worried about it. Okay. I'm not sitting here trying to ruin y'all's day over just a little bit of weed. Okay. Is there any weed in there that I'm gonna find?
No. It's just you probably smelled it because of where we just came.
Where you just
came from? We just visiting right now. We're from here, but we just visiting. We stay in Colorado. And you know Colorado is marijuana.
Well, I got you, but there's absolutely no way I would still smell the odor of burnt marijuana coming from the inside of your car from Colorado.
We just came, just arrived tonight. We ain't got no seats.
Okay.
No seats.
Okay. So I'm gonna search the car based on the odor of marijuana. Okay. Not worried about a little bit of weed, nothing like that. That's all it is. Get y'all out of here. We'll call it a day. All right. Okay. What brings y'all here from Colorado?
This is my hometown.
Okay. Right on.
So I got a Florida license. I'm just visiting. I'm just still getting everything still prepared.
I got you.
Transferring and everything.
I need you to step out. Open the door and step out. Roll the window down. I know you can hear me. I need you to open the door and step out.
What's going on, officer?
She's refusing to get out of the car. 158. Can you roll another this way?
Ma'am, I need you to step out of the vehicle. I do not want to arrest you for resisting.
158, what was the traffic?
We're getting another unit heading.
Can you try to tell her to just yell to her to get out? I don't want to arrest her for something petty like this.
Nah, it's just she had a real lot of bad issues and bad
I get it.
situations,
I get it.
She get traumatized when she sees
But
that.
if she doesn't just get out of the car,
I don't want to arrest her for something
Yeah.
petty like this.
because if she doesn't get out of the car, we're gonna force her out, and then she's gonna go to jail.
Honey, come on. Come on.
Step out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle.
Yes. What?
Step out of the vehicle.
Because I'm telling you to. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle.
Is it a reason why you telling me to step out of the vehicle?
Any reason I want.
This guy said
Okay. So step out of the vehicle, or you will be forced out. You'll be placed in handcuffs, and then you will go to jail. Come hang out up here in my front bumper for me. Just sit on the bumper for me. Come on, lock it.
I don't understand. I have no idea what's going on right now.
Ma'am, all you gotta do is step out of the car, okay? I don't want to arrest you for that. Okay? Just get out of the vehicle for me, please.
Okay, and I don't know what I'm stepping out for. I asked and he told me...
You're on the phone with 911. We are 911.
The officer told me whichever one...
That is so ridiculous.
It is to step out. So I'm stepping out with you on the phone with my hands up trying to move away from the officer.
Do you understand that we are police officers?
I don't understand what's going on, ma'am. So I'm ready. Please hurry up. For you to... Yes, ma'am. I can stay on the phone.
What's your name?
Yes, ma'am. And he told me, he said for whatever reason, he want me to step out the car.
A police dispatcher does not have knowledge of criminal law. I need you to go over there. My name is Officer Dufour, the Pensacola Police Department.
And I don't know. I haven't been read my rights. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I need.
I need you to go over to that vehicle. I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
I'm so scared. Oh my God, he's touching me. Ma'am, he's touching me.
Get out of the vehicle.
What's wrong with you?
Get out of the vehicle. You're going to get tased.
What's going on? Please help me.
Get out of the vehicle. I'm going to tase you. Get out of the vehicle.
Please help me. I got my hands up.
Pennsylvania vs. Mimms, 1977. Crystal clear. Officers can order anyone out of a vehicle during a lawful stop, period. Doesn't matter if you're the driver or passenger. Officer safety trumps your convenience, no extra suspicion needed. You can ask why. You can't refuse. That's the line between asserting your rights and breaking the law. Now here's where it gets complicated. The officer's order is lawful, but what about the force he uses? Graham v. Connor sets the standard. Force has to be objectively reasonable based on three things: crime severity, immediate threat, active resistance. We've got a traffic violation that became resisting. She's not attacking anyone. She's holding on to stuff in the car. Multiple taser hits, one during removal. More after she's already on the ground. Is that proportional? The officer even says he doesn't want to arrest her for something petty, but he never changes his approach. That's the disconnect. Legal authority? Check. Tactical wisdom?
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
What's wrong with you? I didn't do anything. What did I do? I don't know what I'm doing.
You are under arrest. You are resisting.
He's my arm, ma'am. I don't know
under
what I
arrest.
did. He
You're
pointed a gun to me. Please,
This is a taser.
Please, he's not gonna kill me. Oh, he got his gun out. He's shooting me. He's shooting me, ma'am.
Get on the ground.
Oh, God.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Please, I'm on the ground. Get on the ground. Okay, I'm on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Put
your hands behind your back.
Okay, I am.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Somebody help me. 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 Somebody help me.
Get him. Detain him.
Somebody help me. Sir, I don't know what Sir, what am I being arrested for? What did I do?
Obstruction of justice.
What did I do?
Get the other arm.
What did I do?
Get tased again. Roll on your
What
stomach.
did I do? He's tasing me.
Put your hand. Stop.
Let's be still, man.
Stop.
He's pulling my
Put
hair.
your arm behind your back.
I am. He's pulling my hair for no reason. He's really abusing me. Please help me. What am I doing? He's just tasing me. Ouch. What are you doing?
Clear.
What did I do? What the fuck is going on?
We're good.
What the hell? I can't. You just threw me. You saved me on purpose.
Yes, 100%. Because you were resisting.
I didn't resist anything.
They were both in her bag.
What's in my bag?
They were in front of you for shoot.
Sir, what is going on? I don't even know what's going on. Wait, what am I doing? What is going on? I haven't heard anything. What the hell? Why are you doing that? Why are you hurting me? You've been hurting me on purpose for no reason. Is your body cameras on?
100%.
Are your body cameras on?
Yes.
So you just tased me like that for no reason?
Because you were resisting.
I was not
and for battery on law enforcement officer.
A battery?
Yes.
You lying. The whole thing is on record.
Yes, it is.
Spread your legs.
Okay.
Spread your legs. Do not make me kick your legs again. Stop.
Ouch. What did I do?
Stand up.
Why are you jerking me like that? I'm not even resisting you and you hurting me. What did I do? You racist?
What are we doing? Are we playing silent game? What are we doing here? Talk. Ma'am, I know you can speak.
Yeah.
You've been speaking. What is in your breast?
I just told you.
And then
my earring.
And I asked you what side.
I'm not taking her for a
You said in it.
In your breast. What is in your breast?
200.
Just because the size of her breast, I could not get in between. I get underside.
I'll let the jail now.
So just
He gets hit with battery on law enforcement. Florida Statute 784.07. Third-degree felony. But here's the tell. Prosecutor drops the 911 misuse charge immediately. Lack of probable cause, that raises questions. Officer Pino gets a C-. He knows the law. Mimms authority, correct. Body camera on, check. Backup called, good. But tasering a restrained person multiple times and missing every chance to de-escalate? Below standard. The passenger gets a D+. Refusing a lawful Mimms order is a losing play. Comply under protest. Fight it in court later. Bottom line. Passengers have to exit when ordered during traffic stops. That's settled law. But having legal authority doesn't mean you can skip de-escalation. And force has to match the threat. Case is pending. Trial set for February 2026. The body cam footage will tell the story. Drop your case suggestions in the comments. Check out Audit the Court for more legal breakdowns. Thanks for watching.